Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about something that has the power to quietly but completely transform your entire life. Not your job, not your salary, not your past, not even your problems, your morning. Because the way you start your day becomes the way you live your life. This video is important for everyone. For students feeling mentally overwhelmed. For working adults tired of stress and confusion. For parents juggling responsibility and burnout, and for anyone who simply wants to feel calmer, clearer, and stronger inside. We live in a fast, noisy, emotionally draining world. The moment you wake up, notifications, pressure, decisions, distractions, comparison, they attack your mind. And without a system, without protection, you start the day already exhausted. But if you design your mornings correctly, your entire mental and emotional life will change. You'll wake up with peace. You'll start your day with calm, not chaos. You'll protect your mental health before it breaks. So today, I'm going to share 9 powerful morning and daily habits that build a healthy, peaceful, emotionally strong mind. Not empty motivation, not surface level advice. Real habits that work. Let's begin. Habit 1, wake up without shows. Most people wake up in panic. The alarm rings. They hit snooze. They grab their phone. Messages, notifications, news, social media. Before their eyes are even fully open, their brain is already in emergency mode. This releases cortisol, your stress hormone, instantly. And when this happens every single day, peace becomes impossible. Your brain wakes up in a theta state, calm, gentle brainwave state. This is when your mind is most impressionable. But the moment you flood it with noise, you shock it into fight or flight mode. That's the root of overthinking, emotional burnout, impatience, mental fog. Waking up without chaos protects your brain while it's still soft. What to do? Put your phone far from your bed. Use a soft alarm sound. Sit up slowly and take 5 deep breaths. Do nothing for 2 minutes. Repeat a phrase. Today, I protect my mind. This takes less than 5 minutes, but it changes everything. Habit 2, drink water immediately. This habit looks small, but it controls your clarity, mood, focus, and energy. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your brain is dehydrated. A dehydrated brain thinks slower, reacts emotionally, feels tired, produces more stress hormones. Your brain is nearly 75% water. Even slight dehydration reduces performance. Water first does 5 things. Improves clarity, calms the nervous system, flushes toxins, activates digestion, sends a self-respect signal to your brain. Drink 1 full glass before phone, coffee, conversation, water first. Everything else later. Habit 3, control your breath. 2-3 minutes. Before stimulation, before action, before stress, control your breathing. Slow breathing tells your nervous system, I am safe. Try this. Inhale for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 to 8 seconds. Repeat for 2 to 3 minutes. This single habit reduces anxiety, sharpens focus, stabilizes emotions. Breath is the fastest way to reset your mind. Habit 4, take a cold shower, mental training. Cold showers are not about toughness. They are about control. Cold triggers panic. Your job is to stay calm inside it. This trains emotional resilience, stress tolerance, discipline, mental strength. Start warm and cold for 30 to 60 seconds. Control your breath. Stay still. Stay calm. If you can stay calm in cold water, you can stay calm in life. Habit 5, sit in silence with sunlight. 10 minutes. Your mind isn't lazy. It's overstimulated. Silence plus sunlight resets your nervous system. No phone. No music. No talking. Just sit. This lowers stress, increases serotonin, restores clarity. Clarity doesn't come from thinking more. It comes from thinking less. Habit 6. Move your body. 5 minutes. Movement is medicine for the mind. Even 5 minutes releases endorphins, reduces cortisol, improves focus. Still body to equal still mind. Moving body equals clear mind. Don't wait for motivation. Move first. Habit 7. Disconnect for 1 hour daily. You're not tired. You're overstimulated. 1 hour a day. No internet. No scrolling. No notifications. Use it to sit in stillness. Write. Read. Walk without your phone. Silence is not empty. It's full of answers. Habit 8. Plan tomorrow before sleep. Clarity beats motivation. Every night, write 1 most important task. 3 must-do actions. Visualize your morning. Planning removes anxiety and creates momentum. Habit 9. Measure your mind every night. Ask yourself, what made me proud today? What drained my energy? What did I avoid? What thoughts controlled me? What should I repeat tomorrow? Reflection is how you evolve. Closing. Strong CTA. You don't need a new year. You don't need luck. You don't need escape. You need strong mornings, protected energy, clear plans, honest reflection. That's how you restart your life. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe. Comment below. Which habit will you start tomorrow? Let's build a stronger mind. Let's restart life together. Before we end this video, there is one final truth you must understand. A healthy mind is not built in one day. It is built through repetition, not motivation. Through systems, not emotions. Most people fail not because they are weak, but because they rely on feelings. They say, I'll start when I feel motivated. I'll change when life slows down. I'll focus when things get easier. But life never slows down. Noise never stops. Pressure never disappears. So if your peace depends on perfect conditions, you will never have peace. That's why these habits matter. They work even when life is messy. Especially when life is messy. You don't need to do all 9 habits perfectly. That mindset itself creates pressure. Instead, choose 2 or 3 and protect them fiercely. Because consistency beats intensity every time. 5 calm mornings every week are more powerful than 1 perfect morning once a month. And here's something very important most people never realize. Your brain does not understand words. It understands patterns. If every morning you rush, scroll, stress, and react, your brain learns this is how life works. But if every morning, even for a few minutes, you slow down, breathe, move, hydrate, and choose silence, your brain learns a new identity. I am someone who is calm under pressure. I am someone who controls my mind. I am someone who responds, not reacts. That identity becomes automatic. And once it becomes automatic, discipline is no longer painful. Peace becomes normal. Clarity becomes natural. Confidence becomes quiet but unshakable. Because those strong people are built. Not loud. Not aggressive. Not constantly proving themselves. But grounded. Centered. Stable. Remember this. A powerful life is not created by big dramatic changes. It is created by small daily agreements you make with yourself. Every time you wake up calmly, you keep your word. Every time you drink water instead of scrolling, you keep your word. Every time you sit in silence instead of noise, you keep your word. And self-trust grows. Once you trust yourself, fear loses power over you. Overthinking fades. Confidence rises. And life feels lighter even when it's hard. So don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for Monday. Don't wait for a perfect routine. Start tomorrow morning. 1 calm breath. 1 glass of water. One moment of silence. That's enough to begin. Because when you control your mornings, you control your days. When you control your days, you control your life.